Hello, Galaxy. I'm Chris Pirillo, and this is my view in fewer than two. Tech is here, and it's advertised. It's in your face. But have you ever fallen victim to a tech scam? Any kind of tech scam, anywhere, on any platform, based upon something that you discovered, something that hit your feed, potentially an ad. And let me tell you why I'm asking this question. It's because I have seen a huge uptick in scammy ads. Like, these are seemingly legitimate products that are being shown to us, typically in conjunction with a video showcasing this amazing experience, and it's given me pause, making me wonder, wait a minute, like, is that the product that I would get in paying you for what you're asking? I feel like it's a good deal, like it's a bargain, but then when it's a bargain, I think, wait a minute, that's a bargain. There's no way, this is too good to be true. Have you ever fallen victim to this? The old sea monkey thing. Remember sea monkeys from the old comic books? I'm old enough to remember sea monkey ads in comic books, right? These amazing creatures, this family of sea monkeys that you could send away for, but then they arrive and what was it? Brine shrimp? Like, this is not what I ordered. This is not a sea monkey. What is this? But I'm telling you, it's easy to fall for these types of ads. I don't want to say all of them are scams. It's just that so many of these ads are too good to be true. So the way I safeguard myself, especially if I feel compelled to potentially buy something, is I do research. I look around, I check sources like website information, like, is this company been around for a while? I check with friends. And then if it doesn't pass the smell test, even though I can't smell the ad, I skip it. What about you? Have you fallen victim for one of these?